to 2024. Everybody, this is Mama Tjhoko and welcome in our Tjhoko factory and a very warm welcome to 2024. I hope that you enjoyed a beautiful festive season and a relaxing time with your family and loved ones, and that you are rejuvenated and rested and ready for 2024. We definitely are. We are busy in the Tjhoko factory, painting, organizing, getting ourselves ready for an exciting new year with a lot of new things up our sleeves that we can't wait to share with all of you. We haven't had time to prep anything for today. We are physically painting each and every workstation in the factory. We are busy sorting out things, getting ourselves ready for the year. And while we are busy, I've actually realized how quickly we just store stuff and gather stuff. And my message for you today is that 2024 needs to be a year where we gather and store joyous, beautiful memories. May it be a joyful year. I said to the team as I've showed them the mood board for the factory that this is a fun project. I think they all actually at this point is not believing me because it's chaos. But when we have a plan and when we have something that we work towards, then we know there's a reward at the end of the day. And may this year reward you with beautiful things. And sometimes things happen, we all know, we never know what to expect, what we will remember from this year. But as long as we get ourselves ready to say, okay, this is the year that we are going to enjoy, that we have a beautiful yellow, John's Joy inspiration behind us. So if you think of 2024, from this day forward until the end of the year when we greet each other again, we need to think of a year of joy. So may this be a beautiful, joyous year to all of you. There's
St. Francis.
Okay. Yeah, so the St. Francis is closing, but don't stress about it. It's just because Mama Tjhoko has her hands full, and I need to keep myself busy with the things that the business needs. And sometimes difficult decisions need to be made. So the factory needs me, all the new things that's coming needs me, so I'm here and I'm ready to share all of that with you. So just keep your eyes peeled to our socials and everything that's going to happen this year. You will see that there are slight changes. We have employed a social media manager to assist with duties. So welcome Michelle, you will see her name maybe in some place. You will meet her at Hobby X later this year. So thank you for all the support, all the beautiful messages that I've received this past week. And we can't wait to share the rest of the year with all of you. Good luck for the children starting soon with school. Get yourselves ready. There's something exciting even waiting for you to form part of this year. And to all of you out there, have a beautiful, creative year with us. And I'm sending you huge love and hugs. And enjoy everything that you will see from this day forward with Tjhoko. Bye!